Hi everybody, Marla Meridith here. Today we are going to be talking about dip nails. Since it's pretty difficult to get appointments with any manicurists these days, we need to invest in ourselves. So I went ahead and bought this awesome Kiara Sky dip kit. And I have to say, it's my first time doing dip here at home. Not the easiest thing in the world, but certainly doable. I find that dip nails are the strongest compared to shellac and certainly way better than regular nail polish. I live a really active lifestyle and nail polish tends to not last a long time on me. So I like the idea that I can get a good wearing out of a dip polish for about 3 weeks or so. I'm gonna show you what my first experience was like when I put on white polish a few weeks ago. It was a little bit lumpy at the end, but it still lasted quite a long time and I was happy enough with the results. Round 2, I did a light pink. That worked better. I can tell that as I do this process, it's gonna get better each time.
got to feel in heaven when my lover's near. Lord, let this moment last for another year. Though today has ended, the night's still young, I'd say. Lover, don't go away. Let it be the thing that I am longing for. Let's fly out from Manhattan to the California shore, just to watch the ships at night on the San Francisco Bay.